In today's video, DepEd Order Number 49 Series 2022 will be given emphasis. This is an amendment of DepEd Order Number 47 Series 2022, or the promotion of professionalism in the implementation and delivery of basic education programs and services. 1. The promotion of professionalism is the implementation and delivery of basic education programs and services that have been issued as DepEd Order Number 47, Series 2022. To further strengthen professionalism within the department and integrate it in all areas of work and practice in the department, DepEd Order 47, Series 2022 is amended to include additional provisions on employment and personnel relations, as well as the responsible use of social media. 2. Item numbers 1 to 4 of DO 47, S. 2022 on the promotion of professionalism in the implementation and delivery of basic education programs and services, are amended and shall be read as follows. 1. It is the policy of DepEd to promote effective and efficient policies and programs. To realize this, DepEd should be free from any partisan activities. As such, this office reminds the officials and employees to practice the highest form of professionalism and to observe the following measures. A. Refrain from seeking endorsements, recommendations, contributions, support, consideration, political accommodations, or any form of intervention from other government personnel or similar entities outside of the DepEd. B. Desist from soliciting favorable actions from politicians to facilitate the implementation of programs, projects, or activities, except those covered by the Adopt a School program, initiated by the local government units, funded by the Special Education Fund or SEF, or covered by partnership agreements and/or allowed by law. C. Refrain from requesting or obtaining support or endorsement from any third party in the hiring, transfer, promotion, removal, or any other personnel movement. D. Follow the internal rules and regulations of the department on protocols relative to communication, correspondence, and other appropriate work processes. E. Raise issues and concerns regarding basic education via formal and appropriate DepEd channels, either directly to the Office of the Secretary or through the concerned Assistant Secretary or Undersecretary, without resorting to any political or third-party intervention or accommodation. Failure to comply with any of the above-mentioned acts shall near outright denial of any request or appeal for consideration in the Office of the Secretary. 2. In defining acceptable norms of conduct and relationships in DepEd, officials and employees are reminded of the provisions of Republic Act No. 6713, otherwise known as the Code of Conduct and Ethical Standards for Public Officials and Employees. In line with this, DepEd officials and employees are expected to observe the following: treat and approach DepEd colleagues, employees, learners, and stakeholders with the highest degree of professionalism, skill, and excellence. Respect the rights of others and refrain from doing any act that is contrary to law, good morals, good customs, public policy, public order, public safety, and public interest. Serve and perform one's duties and responsibilities in a prompt, courteous, and fair manner. Refrain from engaging in any activity or any relationship that may impair one's ability in making objective decisions in the performance of his/her job functions. Avoid relationships, interaction, and communication, including following social media with learners outside of the school setting, except if they are relatives. Desist from any act that may compromise one's integrity as a government employee and that may compromise the honor of the DepEd. 3. Employees and officials must consider the legal restrictions imposed by existing statutes, rules, and DepEd orders in the use of social media, whether it be for the personal use of the DepEd official or employee, or a essential or incidental tool in carrying out their mandate. Social media rules should be complied with. As such, employees and officials of the DepEd shall exercise caution when sharing posts or other corners and should not participate in the spreading of rumors and false information, shall not unduly post online attacks against fellow DepEd employees and must utilize legal and human resource mediation procedures and shall not disparage DepEd and must always be mindful of the reputation and honor of the organization. 4. The use of DepEd email addresses shall only be for work-related subscriptions and applications. In no case shall the DepEd email address be used for any personal social media account, profile, or activity. 3. Immediate dissemination of and strict compliance with this order is directed. That was DepEd Order Number 49 Series 2022. For more videos, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. Thanks for watching.